Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about Join Keikos-Cake is an online product that offers access to a member club with exclusive content on confectionery. The product was created by Keiko, a professional pastry chef with over 20 years of experience. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remembering that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do about Join Keikos-Cake. What is it? Join Keikos-Cake is a digital product that offers access to more than 150 cake and dessert recipes created by Chef Keiko. The product is divided into 4 parts. Recipes. In this part, Keiko presents more than 150 cake and dessert recipes, including classic recipes, modern recipes and signature recipes. Videos. In this part, Keiko presents videos of how to prepare some of the product's recipes. Classes. In this part, Keiko offers online classes on confectionery techniques. Forum. In this part, members can share recipes, tips and experiences. Benefits. Join Keikos-Cake promises a number of benefits, including: learn how to make amazing cakes and desserts. Keiko is an experienced chef and her recipes are delicious and easy to follow. Improve your baking techniques. Online classes offer tips and techniques to improve your cooking skills. Share your recipes and experiences. The forum is a space for members to share their recipes, tips and experiences. What is the difference between and other products? Join Keikos-Cake offers a number of advantages, including exclusive content. The product provides access to exclusive content such as recipes, online classes, and customer support. Professional learning. The recipes and classes are developed by a professional chef with over 20 years of experience. Community. Members can interact with other confectioners and share their recipes. Conclusion. Write here in the comments your opinion about Join Keikos-Cake and if you like this idea. If you like the Join Keikos-Cake, I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire. Kisses and see you next time.